Greetings, Benjamin J. the Victrola Guy, Canophonic Records with another in the series. Well, still experimenting with the flexible Lexan discs. I just recorded this at 33 and wanted to do a video. This is Midnight, the Stars, and You. And with the background noise on this disc, it actually sounds pretty authentic. Oops. If I can get it in the groove. So as you hear, background noise, and the more naphtha you apply, keeps reducing the amount of noise you get. So it's just a matter of finding what it will take to actually make these things quiet. It's really interesting, like I said, recording on this. It's fun to experiment with it. Anyway, I just wanted to document the experiment. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, thevictrolaguy@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.